When you have the right information, making money online becomes very easy. This website here pays you over $100 per referral. If you want to know how you can do this, then make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. I will show you how to do this and how to make $100 over and over again. So this website basically helps businesses to manage their social media handles, their social media platforms. There are a lot of businesses out there that do not have the time to manage all their social media platforms. So a website like eClincher is gonna help with that. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're gonna come to this website. Let me kind of like show you the address here. So you're gonna come to Google and search eclincher.com. okay, so when you search it, is gonna bring you to this platform. So you're gonna read everything on this page. Okay, as you can see here, it says integrated with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok. Okay, so this platform helps businesses manage their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, basically social media platforms. Okay, so they have a 14-day free trial. That's one thing I like about this platform. Now you might be saying, so how is this gonna help me make money? Okay, as I said in the beginning of this video, how are you gonna make $100 over and over again? Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're gonna come here, kind of like read everything here on this platform. Okay, you're gonna read everything. As you can see, this website has been featured on Forbes. It has been featured on ABC, Fox News. Okay, so all you have to do is to kind of like go down and then go down here. Okay, so when you get to this place, okay, yeah, when you get to this place, you're gonna come here where it says partner/affiliate. Okay, so you're gonna click that. So that's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. Now you can see here, if you want to join their affiliate program, okay, so you're going to just have to click this place where it says apply here. Okay, so you're gonna click that and then you'll be able to apply. Okay, so now let's kind of like see what's happening here. Reasons to join. Okay, so if you come here, it says let me kind of like zoom that in. It says turn your online presence into profit with up to $100 per paid eClincher. Okay, so every eClincher or every person you get to register on this platform and become a paid customer on this platform, you stand a chance to earn up to $100. So you can see if you can get 5 people to start using eClincher to manage their social media platforms, you are possibly gonna make $500. Imagine getting 10 people to sign up on this platform, you are gonna make $1,000. And this is very easy. You can get 5 people to sign up on this platform. You can get 10 people, you can get 20 on this platform by leveraging on the secret traffic strategy I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna have to make sure you stick around and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you're gonna see how we are gonna get these guys coming to this platform to sign up using your link. Okay, so once you've done all these things and then you're kind of like ready, all you have to do is to click where it says apply now, apply here, and then it's gonna open up a page. This is where you are going to put your email address, your first name, last name, basically fill in all the details here. You can click and select your country. It basically for everyone. Okay, so it's kind of like worldwide. Okay, so if you can see your country here, that means you can sign up on this platform. You can sign up for their affiliate program. So you kind of like fill in all the details here, put in all the details, and then once you are done, you agree to terms and conditions. You click I'm not a robot, and then you click sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, you'll be able to access your affiliate dashboard. You'll be able to have on your affiliate dashboard, you'll be able to have your eClincher affiliate link. Okay, so once you have this affiliate link, this is the link you are going to promote on different platforms. So let's go to the next step. So I'll show you how you can promote this. Now, the next step is to come to this website here. You can see here, BoardPanda.com. This is a platform that attracts millions of eyeballs monthly, okay? If you check the statistics on this website, you're going to find out that millions of people come to this website monthly, and a large percentage of that of these views come from the United States, okay? So you have a lot of people coming to this website. So basically, what is this website? This is where people kind of like write a lot of stuffs, okay? You kind of like see a lot of articles related to art, photography, animals, funny stuffs, okay? If you kind of like want to see all the categories, okay, you kind of like go here, and then it's going to show you all the categories here. So you're going to see a lot of stuffs, articles, stories, videos, about all this stuff. So you can see entertainment, advertising, history, weird stuff, design, recycling, celebrities, social issues, fashion, okay? So you're gonna see a lot of stuff here. Comics, okay? Movies and TVs, relationships, beauty, okay? Creepy stuffs, occasions, climate, recipes, reviews, quotes, parenting, okay? DIY stuffs. There are basically a lot of stuffs on this platform, okay? So you can see, if you kind of like go down, you see them, okay? So you can leverage on the power of this platform, okay, to kind of like get people signing up on eClincher. You can see a lot of stuffs here, okay? You can see a lot of stuffs here. Now, you might say, why do I recommend this platform? One is the fact that a lot of people come to this platform monthly, millions of views on this platform. And second is that this platform allows you to share your affiliate link. This platform allows you to post your links, okay? It could be the link to your website, it could be an affiliate link, it could be the link to your video on YouTube, or the link to your YouTube channel, okay? So this platform basically allows link, okay? So this is a huge opportunity for you here, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you come to this platform, you're gonna sign up, okay? So once you sign up, I'm already logged in. This is kind of like I'm already logged in here. So you're gonna sign up, and once you are signed up, then you'll be able to write an article here, write a kind of short quality content about what you want to promote here, and then you kind of like publish it, okay? So let's kind of like go through the basics of doing this, okay? So you click that stuff here where it says add a post, okay? You click that, it's gonna bring you to this page where you'll be able to add a post. It says here add a post, ask a question, create a challenge, okay? So basically you're gonna go with adding a post. So you're gonna click that add a post, and then when you click that, it's gonna ask you here, you can see here it says it says drag and drop images. So for you to start adding a post here, you need to be able to browse your computer or mobile phone, okay, to get a suitable picture for the post you want to make, okay? So you get the post and click it here, okay, and add it here or upload it here. Now the picture, if you're gonna upload a picture, is gonna be at least 600 pixels, okay? So you could use an image resizer to resize the image because if you kind of like upload an image here and it doesn't get uploaded, that means you're not using the right pixels. So you might want to download an app on Play Store, image resizer. Just search that on Google Play Store, and then resize the image first before you can upload it here, in case you have issues with that. Okay, once you have an image uploaded, let me kind of like show you what this thing looks like. Okay, so once you upload an image successfully, now this is an image about money, okay? This image, I have it on my mobile phone, okay? So I basically resized it using an image resizer, okay? So that it can be uploaded on this platform. Once you successfully upload an image, then it's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. This is where you'll be able to add details about the post you want to make, okay? So since we want to make a post about eClincher, a kind of like a review about eClincher, okay? So you can kind of like come here and click that and add a category. You can see all the necessary categories here. So you choose a suitable category for the post, and then you write that there. Okay, so and then this is where you're gonna add your post tags, okay, tags related to your post, okay, and then this is where you're gonna be able to add your link, okay. So you can add your link here. that's where you can add your link. Okay, so then your post title. Okay, so you're writing a review about eClincher. Okay, you might write something like best social media management platform. Okay, so you might write something like that, and then you're gonna write kind of like the review, okay, about eClincher. Okay, so you could go to eClincher, get a lot of information, and put in the necessary stuff you want to write here. And then once you're done putting all these things, you can see image title, the image you have, title it correctly, and then you check all the necessary details, and then you click submit here. Okay, so once you click this is going to be submitted, and then your article is going to appear live on this platform. And once your article is live on this platform, you stand a chance of having a lot of eyeballs, okay, on this article, and then you could get people to sign up using your link. Okay, imagine you get 10 people to sign up. That's completely $1,000 for free for just uploading an article here. Okay, so another way you can promote your eClincher affiliate link is to go to the next step. Now, finally, if you come to this, if you come to YouTube, you will see there are a lot of people who are doing this. And what is this? They create channels and do reviews about stuffs like this. So you can create a YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is probably gonna be in the reviews niche. Okay, so you do reviews about stuffs, okay, about products, about website, about services. Okay, so and then in the description of the video you just put your affiliate link. Okay, so if you come here, I basically searched eClincher reviews. You can see there are people that are already doing this. These are videos showing reviews about eClincher. Okay, so you could create a YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, go to YouTube and search how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, you can do this. Okay, and then start a YouTube channel and start doing reviews about a lot of products, not just eClincher. Okay, so you could just do reviews about a lot of other products and services, and then put your affiliate link in the description, and over time your YouTube channel is going to grow. Okay, this is it here. You can see a lot of guys are doing this here. A lot of guys are doing this here. You can see a lot of guys are doing this here. If you keep scrolling, you are definitely going to see that people are doing this, and people are leveraging on the power of YouTube. Okay, so if your channel blows up and then you start getting thousands and thousands of views, especially if your review keeps ranking for the keyword you are using on your video, okay, so you are going to get a lot of traffic coming to your video, and they're gonna get a lot of views, and then probably get a lot of sales. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. If you want to make money online, you've got to take action. Okay, it doesn't drop from heaven, it doesn't drop from anywhere. You just have to take action, and the action is gonna result in money. Okay, so this is your guy Ken, and this is brigxelbiz. Until we meet again in the next video, keep trying and keep taking action.